Welcome students. In this video, we will take our understanding of the for loop by creating a program that will ask the user to enter a number and then will print the table of that number. Let's get started. So first of all, create a variable number int num and then prompt the user to enter a number. Enter a number to print the table. And then use the scanf function. Here type the semicolon at the end of the line. Now use the scanf function to store the entered number into the number variable. So %d num. This will store the number entered by the user into the num variable. Now use a for loop to print the table. As the table contains the 10 iteration, 10 values, number multiplied by 1, number multiplied by 2, number multiplied by 3 and up to 10. So loop will iterate 10 times starting from 1 for int I is equal 1, and it will continue executing if the value of I is less than or equal to 10, and at the each iteration value of I will be incremented by 1, and in the body of the loop at the each iteration printf %d. This %d is the number. Then after this %d print the star, and again %d format specifier, and this format specifier will be replaced by the value stored in the variable I, and after this in the formatted string there will be an equal sign, and then there will be a value type %d, and that value will be number multiplied by I. This is the program to print the table of a number using while loop. Let's run the program, and you can see it displayed enter a number to print the table. Let's enter 5, and it displays the table of number but on same line. So here make changes and add the new line at the each iteration. So here type \n. Now run again, and it displayed enter a number to print the table. Enter 5, and it displayed the table of a number. 5 multiplied by 5, 1 is equal to 5, 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10, and up to so on until 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. You can run again and enter another number. Let's that this time enter 8, and it displayed the table of 8. And now we successfully created a C program to print the table of a number using a for loop. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.